Hello, my name is Petar Matic and I am from Serbia. Today I'll be educating you on how to properly use past perfect tense. Most of the students say it's very difficult, but actually it's not. Past perfect tense indicates that an action was completed or finished at a specific time in the past before something else happened. It doesn't matter which action is mentioned first, the tense makes it clear for itself. So the first thing we need to know about past perfect tense that it starts with a structure. So we have the subject, plus the verb had, and at the end we have past participle of the main word. So we have some examples here. I had studied a lot. She had eaten an apple. We had driven home. So these are the subjects. And these are the verb had, which is a helper word for the past participle. We have studied, eaten, driven. It's very important to learn that regular verbs are usually finished with ed. Those are irregular verbs.
On this piece of paper, I demonstrate some of irregular verbs in past participle. So, verb be becomes been. Verb do becomes done. Eat becomes eaten. Go, gone. Verb keep becomes kept. And a verb sing becomes sung.
We already talked about two past actions, but we will better understand it if we take a look at this timeline. So, before past is a past perfect tense. So, these are the examples. Before I went to Canada, I had lived in Serbia. And before coming to China, I had lived in Canada. So we have one more example. At 7, they left, and at 8, I arrived home. So the sentence would be, when I arrived home, they had left. So first they left and then I arrived home. And here I demonstrate you the negatives. A negative simply means that is opposite of doing something. It is saying that you're not doing something. So the examples are, when I came home, my mother had not prepared dinner yet. She had not read the book, so she didn't understand the film. She said she had not studied for her exam. Over here, we have some questions. Had you met your wife before you worked together? What had you done before you turned the TV on? Had you been here before? So the structure of interrogative form is had plus subject plus past participle. Finally, I want to show you conjunction. A conjunction is joining two words together. Often in English language, when people are speaking, they are combining two words by joining them together. In this example, I had is I. You had is you. He had is he. She had is she. It had is it. We had is we. And they had is they. We can also use short form for negatives. For example, I had not will be I hadn't. Once again, I'm your teacher, Petar Matic. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much.